This video will be about how to get your program onto your phone from Unity. So I'm assuming a couple things. First of all, that you're actually done your program. And secondly, your phone is in developer mode. So you can see this is the very end of the tiger. All right, our first step is just to go File, Build Settings, and this pop-up should show up here. Now we want this to go to an Android phone. So we're going to click on Android, and you're going to want to switch that platform to that. So just hit Switch Platform. Depending on how big the program is, as well as how fast your computer is, this may take a moment. All right, now that we've switched to Android mode, we need to actually get our scene into the build. It's currently empty. So to do that, you need to open up whatever scene it might be. I'm currently in my sample scene, which has my tiger. And you're just gonna hit add open scenes. And that's it. Now I'd want to build and run. I'm probably gonna use build and run. You're going to want to plug in your phone that's in developer mode already. At this point, hit build and run. I would suggest for you saving it onto your desktop. I'm not, and you can name this whatever we want. So I'm going to name this the Tiger Test. I think I already have one called that. It's an APK file. It'll hit save and it'll start running. Again, depending on your computer, it'll take some time to do. The first build is always the slowest. But once you're just making small little changes, it is actually quite quick. Now I don't actually have my phone built here because you wouldn't be able to see it. But if you see this message showing up, no Android device is connected, you know this is a phone issue. That might be that it's not actually in developer mode or that the cable you have is not actually a data cable. All right, good luck.